Karibu muno muthikiriria wakwa na ndiragethikagiriria this great interview ya Jeff Kuria mena mwari wa Muigai niwe Wanjiku wa Muigai. Na there is this statement area koretwo ikireactirwo na njira nene muno riria Wanjiku wa Muigai arageragia ku explainira Jeff Kuria that man is God. Akigeri kumwira ati ona mundu we mwene ni Ngai. And now Wanjiku says that she is God and that man is God. Na in fact Wanjiku arabezaga argument yake based on the Bible. Tondu ni araugaga atiriri ni ati ungi mundu arafatara kwirwo o riria kirikano ni kimwirite ati God created man in his own image and likeness. So mundu ni Ngai. Ando maraugaga Ngai ni Ngai na gutire kindu kingi kingituika Ngai, Ngai ni Ngai. And this whole scenario reminded me of a certain story. Ndio ngomuganira haha. But before that, kitobe tuthikiriria Wanjiku wa Muigai uria arabezaga argument yake that man is God.
So when you say we Ngai, are you God?
Yes, I am.
How?
Oh my God, what do you mean how?
How are you God?
Nyori warora kirima.
Kira
takirore, imagine it in your mind. Ni wakiona. Haya, ni wonaga uria mbura yuraga. Matu. Ni wamona. Igore uria rihana. Thino yothe, indo ciothe cikuraga. Ingi tutowe. Nyamu ciothe cikoragwo guku. Arafu Ngai agakumbira uguo wothe. Agacoka agakumba agakwira atiriri. Nie na nawe turi amwe. I have created hiyo kitu. I don't know why Christians don't get this. Like imeandikwa Bible. I have created you in my own image and likeness. Then if I am like God, what do you no kinya jikare uguo ngimenyaga nie ndobirwo ni Ngai na akiiga theni wakwa tondu riri Ngai ni kwigayania egayanagia akaiganira handu-ini hothe kindu-ini giothe andu-ini othe.
Okay.
Nie ndi Ngai wewe Ngai na wira uyu rutaga Ngai eyumbire egaire akiyumba akiingira thini waku niguo okage kuruta wira uyu na ni agika uguo nigetha jokie unduire witu and that is it.
So Wanjiku arauga ati it is written that man is created in God's image and likeness. Na nakauga ati mundu nafati gukorwo agikuku ati mundu we mwene ni Ngai, ucio ungi nake ni Ngai, everyone together is God. Ithuothe twi hamwe, that is God visible. Na kuna andu maraugaga atiriri, it is written that man is created in his own image and likeness. Makauga atiriri ni kurarerwo ahanaine na Ngai no ndageciria ati we mwene niwe Ngai. But what is the difference? What is the ni haraga na difference ya ati we ti Ngai no umete Ngai ni? What is the difference here? And before unyandikire kana ujirite how down on the comment, negurikana karugano he ice cubes. You know, you've seen these ice cubes, these frozen ice cubes. So he ice cube igere muthenya umwe ciugiria atiriri omothe ntukwenda kumenya uriku wa iria tuiguaga tumite mai-ini no omothe nituguthie turimenye uriku wa iria, the real ocean itself. So sigitana mucemanio, sigita fellow ice cubes, sikemera atiriri ukai muone tugithie kurika iria-ini na tugucoka tumire tumuhe ohoro wa iria. So the meeting happened. Na those two ice cubes sikirika o iria-ini, they jumped into the ocean. Na ono muthi uyu stoire cietereirwo tondu itiumirire. Once yaingirire iria-ini ciatuikire o iria riu riene, they became the very ocean itself. So does that mean hindi no yothe ciuma na ice cube ri gukorwo twitikoe as the ocean ri nigo kugiragia cio cikorwo ci the ocean? I think they were still the ocean, but ni kwagete the awareness that we are not different from the very ocean. On the other hand, they would think that idwe tugikihanania atia na iria inene, idwe tu ice cube to nini, idwe tuhuthagirwo orona mafata oro manini. Look at the magnitude of the ocean, the waves in the ocean, the tides, the nini. Tarore ocean yegeka. How dare you compare the ocean na nie ice cube monini? But when they took that leap, that courageous jump into the ocean, that is when they realize, wow, we were the very ocean. They become the very ocean. And I think maybe that is the nature of man. Maybe man lives his life unagatuta ice cube, like this frozen ice cube. Near freeze man. Maybe man, being a man was like maybe at a stage. It was like a rite of passage. Go korowe man. Moving forward now, neta ukorowe ice cube now, journeying towards the ocean, the real ocean, journeying towards God. But we became frozen in this state. Tukiganira in just this state of being man. Twakinya man, I think ni twakwamire haha. We became frozen in just being a man. Na tutienda go seek kwemenya more, so that we can progress, so that we can melt and be the ocean, be one with the ocean that is God. That is God. And awareness, now that is what awareness does. Awareness now is this element that now starts the melting within. Ndira watu wekadwa go seek, ndira watu wekadwa komatha, ndira watu wekadwa kurigariga. Now this awareness that comes is now, starts now to melt us into the ocean that we are. And eventually now we can merge back to the ocean, to the Father that is the ocean. You don't know tukoro tukio nata ice cubes, but our Father is the ocean itself, is God. And I think aroganoka ukari very significant as well. Na ona ya Jesu neugagati, my Father and I are one. Neugagati hatire nie na fafa. Niye na fafa toeke moe. To niamenyaga, as much as now I'm in this state of being man, that is not my final state. This is like me being now the ice cube, but I know that my journey is now the journey of melting down. The light that he is, he would say that I'm the light, I'm the truth, I'm the way and the light. Now that light would melt him back to the ocean, back to the Father. So, man is God. Na Ngai ni experience so much through modo. Na ke modo ni afatie a experience Ngai o modo ine wake. Atana baguthie gwetha Ngai kunene, ona tana baguthie gwetha Ngai guru Ngai ni nyingi. Ni afatie kwamba kumenya Ngai uri awe mwene niwe. Tondu gutire kingi tiga Ngai. Gutire hinya ungi kana ohoti ungi o tiga wa Ngai. Ona scientists mwaga that energy is one. Energy is simply one. So from this one energy that is God, now everything is born. Everything comes from this energy that is one, energy that is God. Now I think we need to dive deep, because kurado makiuragia gekoro energy no ni mweri na ni ogaire goma kiumaga ko kana saitani umire ko basi saitani na energy ino yake ya mauru na kiri yake umire ko. But dikwenda kuhuti on that now. Anyway, that was just triggered by conversation ya Muigai na Wanjiku Muigai na Jeff. Now nyandikira maoni maku down on the comments. What do you think of that statement that man is created in God's image and likeness? Do you think that man is God? Do you think there is a difference between the creator and the created? Or are they one? Are they simply one? But man has to disappear for him to be born as God. When man is not, then only God is.